The biggest problem of business owners right now is they create so much but market so little. They are so afraid to being copied. They think na intellectual property rights will protect them. But to be honest, no one is exempted to that. Kahit magpa-trademark ka pa, someone can easily copy what you're doing. Your product, your service. So instead of selling your product, always position the why. Imagine being so afraid of letting people know the best thing that you have. So do not think about, baka kopyahin ng competitor. Think about the cost of not showing it. Again, going back to the intention. Why are you doing it in the first place? Hindi ka naman naggumawa ng business para sa competitor mo. So focus on service instead of being so afraid of the best thing that you have.